This system is built for people who expect serious performance every single time they power it on. It's not trying to be flashy for no reason. It's focused on delivering speed, stability, and a premium experience across gaming, streaming, and heavy workloads. At its core sits the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, a processor that has earned a strong reputation for gaming efficiency. The extra cache design plays a huge role in reducing latency and improving frame consistency, which becomes very noticeable in modern titles. Gameplay feels smoother, more stable, and far more responsive, especially in competitive scenarios where every frame matters. On the graphics side, the RTX 5070 with 12 GB memory brings next-level visual performance. This GPU is capable of handling ultra settings, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced rendering without struggling. Whether you're exploring massive open-world environments or playing high-speed multiplayer games, the visuals stay sharp and the frame rates remain impressive. The memory setup includes 32 GB of DDR5 at 6000 MHz, which ensures everything runs without bottlenecks. This amount of high-speed RAM allows you to multitask effortlessly. You can game, stream, edit, and browse all at the same time without noticing slowdowns. It keeps the system responsive even under heavy pressure. Storage is handled by a 2 TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD, delivering extremely fast speeds for both read and write operations. Boot times are quick, applications load instantly, and large game files transfer in seconds. The overall experience feels smooth and immediate, which adds a lot to daily usability. Cooling is managed by the Hyper 212 Halo, paired with an airflow focus case design. This combination keeps temperatures under control even during extended sessions. The system remains cool and quiet, which is essential for maintaining long-term performance and comfort. Powering everything is a V Platinum 1100 V2 power supply, providing efficient and stable energy distribution. It not only supports the current hardware but also gives you room for future upgrades without needing to worry about power limitations. The design of the system reflects a balance between performance and aesthetics. Clean internal layout, solid build quality, and optimized airflow make it feel like a well-engineered machine. It's designed to perform at a high level while maintaining a modern and professional look. In real-world usage, this setup is ideal for high refresh rate 1440p gaming and can handle 4K gaming depending on the title. Competitive games run extremely fast, while demanding titles look visually stunning with advanced settings enabled. Content creators will also benefit from fast rendering, smooth editing workflows, and efficient multitasking. Comes ready with Windows 11, so the setup process is simple. You can start using it almost immediately after unboxing, without needing extra configuration. If you're looking for a system that combines power, speed, and long-term reliability, this setup is worth considering. You can check the link in the description for more details, pricing, and availability.